Today we're unboxing and assembling the Coleman Cityscapes 20 Portable Smokeless Fire Pit. If you've been looking for a way to enjoy a campfire without the heavy smoke, this is a great compact option. We're starting with the unboxing. Everything is packed pretty tight to prevent damage during shipping. As I pull these pieces out, you'll see the main drum, the stand, and the internal components. The first step is setting up the base. The Cityscapes 20 is designed to be portable, so the legs are sturdy but lightweight. I'm placing the outer drum onto the stand now. Make sure it seats firmly so it doesn't wobble. One thing I noticed right away is the build quality. The stainless steel feels durable, which is important for something that's going to be holding high heat. Now, let's move to the inside. I am installing the ash pan and the grate. This is the secret to the Smokeless Design. The air comes in through the bottom, heats up between the walls, and then exits through those holes at the top. This creates a secondary burn that destroys the smoke before it can reach your face. I've sped up the clip here, but even in real time, this whole process only took me about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, we're adding the top ring. This helps direct the heat and keeps the flame concentrated. This model also comes with a carrying bag, which makes it perfect for tailgating or camping. I'm checking all the connections here to make sure everything is locked in. The only tool required for this assembly is a Phillips screwdriver, which is a huge plus if you're setting this up at a campsite. And that's it! The Coleman Cityscapes 20 is fully assembled. It has a nice, modern look that fits perfectly on a patio, but it's small enough to throw in the trunk of a car. It feels very stable on the ground, and the nested design makes it easy to take apart for cleaning. If you're interested in seeing how this performs with a real fire, stay tuned for my next video where I do a full burn test. If this assembly guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews. Thanks for watching.